ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងវីដេអូឃ្លីបមុននេះខ្ញុំបានណែនាំម៉ូឌូលសៀវភៅកត់ត្រាទូទៅដែលអាចទទួលបានបង់បានថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងណែនាំម៉ូឌូលមួយទៀតគឺ Inventory.
Similar to other modules, the steps that we use to manipulate repetitively included the declaration and the setup, input, processing section. For other modules, it can be seen as a very similar change from hold to release or unreleased status of document. However, for this inventory module, it is also related to product cost calculation, cost of goods sold. So there will be another function named inventory process relay batch. And then we will be inventory reports such as inventory moment or inventory status. Now I will go into declaration of inventory category used to support classification of supplies to easily track and view reports. In this part, we just need to enter ID, description, then press save to finish. Next, for inventory class, this lead will access it in input section to classify supply and declare supply code faster. Besides, account declared will automatically be retrieved. For the first step of inventory class, we will enter class ID and then select the inventory category that have a declare by pressing F3, fulfilling description. All inventory account, product cost, and revenue will be selected by pressing F3. After we have fully declared information, we press save. In addition, we have a new class list. For this list, it is used to declare the calculation units such as set, piece, row, bulk, liter, kilogram. We just need to enter the calculation unit, description, and press save. After declaring a bulk category, we will declare the item list. Here we need to declare the item ID, item name. In part 1, general information, we choose class ID, inventory ID, UOM1, UOM2 to use in case this code has many different calculation units. If there is only one calculation unit, we only need to declare one calculation unit to view the report in terms of calculation units later. In part 2, account information, the software has automatically declared according to the class. Part 3, cost information, support input task declaration, output task, and after declaring, we press save. In this lead in the filler bar, we can use it to search or sort all the information of the item ID that we have entered. After entering the list of items, we have another item to declare, which is the opening balance of the inventory. And we first use the SmartBooks software, we will need to enter data here. The software supports inputting data from Excel. We press template, save the template file, and then we will import data into this template file, import it into the software. After completing, we will move to the next step, input. In this section, the software has been divided in detail corresponding to the transaction. Input raw material, input finished goods from manufacturing. Depending on representative section, you will enter data from screen. For example, input raw material. This is a screen for inputting raw material. On this note, general information such as batch, receipt date, period, no, we will enter similar to other module. However, in this inventory receiving voucher, there will be another expense tab. This tab allows the software to allocate related to costs to calculate the price of raw materials such as transportation, insurance expense. In this tab, we will have information to automatically calculate. In the data entry detail section, we select the item ID. Enter quality, unit price. The software automatically multiplies amount, tax rate. Here we press F3 to select. The software will automatically entering the inventory account information. After entering the date, we press save. The software has successfully saved. If we have costs to allocate, we go to the other expense task. We need to finish entering data and press save to declare the information in other expense tab. Here we press F3 to select the batch. The software will load up the list of cost voucher in AP module for it to choose from. And after selecting, the software will load the invoice amount and allocate amount. The software shows that we have to press save to make the allocation. Expense information will be automatically retrieved from tab 2, Other Expense. However, this voucher has been allocated. The amount shown is 0. We press Calculate. The software will automatically calculate and show allocation expense here. And then we press Save. It's material screen. Let me show you an example of a delivery note named sales. Here we will enter the information of the invoice date, invoice no, serial no, customer ID, information about the number of sale orders, description, amount automatically according to customer information. Enter the item ID and the information is automatically retrieved. For enter the quantity, the amount, tax rate, the software will automatically calculate unit price and then update the note when calculating the cost of goods sold. After entering date, we press save. The software will notify that the voucher is saved successfully. The other notes will also enter the same. We have an inventory adjustment section to be used when we need to adjust the quantity or cost. Note that in this adjustment box, there is an adjust cost to adjust the amount and an adjust quantity to adjust the quantity. or enter working process. This is essential for a production company. This about